Now we are starting our fourth topic, that is practical geometry. Here we know that in a triangle there are three sides and three angles, means there are six parts of a triangle, but a quadrilateral has 8 elements or 8 parts, that is 4 sides and 4 angles. 4 sides and 4 angles. Here, if we draw any quadrilateral, then here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides are there, 4 angles are also there. Here, if we give a name to this quadrilateral ABC, and then 4 plus 4 means 8 elements are there, 4 sides and 4 angles. Here we can draw the diagonal. In a quadrilateral, the line segment joining the opposite vertices, is called a diagonal of the quadrilateral. Here B and D, these are the two opposite vertices, and the line segment joining BD is a diagonal, means this is the diagonal. We can draw one more diagonal, AC. In this way, in a quadrilateral there are two diagonals, means these are two more elements. First, 4 sides, 4 angles plus 2 diagonals, means in all there are 10 elements. So quadrilateral has totally 10 elements. Now the diagonal play an important role in determining the size and shape of the quadrilateral. Here the diagonals play very important role, due to which the size and shape of the quadrilateral is based, and therefore in all there are 8 elements of the quadrilateral. Here, if we construct a quadrilateral, we have to construct a quadrilateral. To construct a unique quadrilateral, we must know measurements of 5 elements. Out of 10 elements, we must know the specific 5 elements, and a combination of specific element. Not only 5 element, but we must know the combination of specific elements. So there are various combinations which we are going to see now. Here various combinations of elements for constructing a unique quadrilateral is there. So first is 4 sides and 1 diagonal. If we know the 4 sides means length of the or measurement of the 4 sides and 1 diagonal, then we can construct a quadrilateral. Similarly, if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are known, then also we can construct a quadrilateral. Third, 4 sides and 1 angle. By knowing 4 sides and 1 angle, also we can construct a triangle. Then fourth is 3 sides and 2 included angle. 3 sides and their 2 included angle also helps us to construct a triangle. The fifth condition or fifth combination is two adjacent sides, two adjacent sides and three angles, two adjacent sides and three angles. And the sixth combination is by using special properties of square or rhombus. Means for the sixth combination we must know the properties of square as well as properties of rhombus, and with these properties we can construct a quadrilateral. Now here we are going to construct the quadrilaterals. First, construction of a quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonal are given. Means four sides and one diagonal are given. So the question is given that construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Before going to construct our quadrilateral ABCD, we have to draw rough sketch of our quadrilateral. Here I have drawn simply a quadrilateral ABCD in which here AB is 4.5, then BC is 5.5, then CD is 4 centimeter, then AD is equal to 6 centimeter, this is AD, and AC means again AC is the diagonal which is 7 centimeter, and now we have to construct our quadrilateral. Now for the construction of the quadrilateral, here AB can be taken as a base, and here I have drawn AB of 4.5 centimeter. So I will draw the segment AB of 4.5 centimeter. So AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. In this way I have drawn the segment, and now here I have to draw diagonal first. Means length of the diagonal is 7. So take 7 centimeter distance, 7 centimeter distance in a compass. So this is 7 centimeter. In this way I will put here, I have to draw the diagonal, means I have to put the metallic point on point A, then I will draw the arc. Now here after drawing arc, now I have to draw another segment or arc which is means BC 5.5 centimeter. I have to take here 5.5. so I will take the distance in a compass 5.5. so this is 5.5 centimeter, and now I will put the metallic point on B and draw the another arc which is intersecting the previous arc. And now this point of intersection is known as C. Now with the help of ruler we can join AC. We have to draw AC. Then we have to draw BC. In this way, we have constructed a triangle ABC. Means our aim, आपलं ध्येय काय आहे, तर पहिल्यांदा एक ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचं. हे कधी असतं, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, so we have to construct one triangle. Here ABC is a triangle. Here 7 centimeter, then it is 5.5 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, and now again we have to construct the another triangle, that is ACD. Here again we will take distance 6 centimeter in a compass, which is AD. So I will take 6 centimeter in a compass. So this is 6 centimeter. Put the measuring point on A and draw the arc. And now we have to take distance 4 centimeter in a compass. Here we will take 4 centimeter in a compass. And now put the measuring point on C and draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. In this way, we get the point D here, and now joining CD and AD, CD and AD, we get quadrilateral ABCD according to given measurements of this size. So this is the construction of quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal of the quadrilateral are given. So this is our construction. Now there is one example for you for your practice. So write, construct quadrilateral JUMP, construct quadrilateral JUMP, where JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter, UN is equal to 4 centimeter, MP is equal to 5 centimeter, PJ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now we will see some more examples here, and in this example it is given that the construction of quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Here in the first example 4 sides and 1 diagonal was given. Here 3 sides and length of the 2 diagonals is given, and the question is given that construct quadrilateral ABCD in which BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and BD is equal to 7 centimeter. Again for each construction we must draw the rough diagram. Here ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is given. So I have drawn here quadrilateral ABCD. Here base BC is given 4.5 centimeter. AD, that is opposite side of BC, is given 5.5 centimeter. Then CD is given 5 centimeter, and AC is the diagonal, one diagonal, and BD is equal to second diagonal. So the two diagonals are given and three sides of the quadrilateral are given. So in this figure we have to construct the quadrilateral in which here three sides are given. Means triangle. First of all we will construct triangle BCD in which three sides are given, that is BC is 4.5, CD is 5, and the diagonal or third side BD is 7 centimeter. In this way, first of all we will construct a triangle. In this triangle we have to take BC as a 4.5 centimeter. So I will take first 4.5 centimeter here. So 4.5 centimeter I will draw. So this is the segment BC of length 4.5. Then in a triangle, in a compass we have to take distance 7 centimeter. So this is distance 7 centimeter. So draw the arc 7 centimeter. Then we have to draw this distance, that is CD, and which is 5 centimeter. So we will draw first 5 centimeter. So this is the 5 centimeter. Draw the second arc intersecting the previous arc, and that point is known as D. And now joining BD and CD, we get triangle BCD. Here the length of BC is 5 centimeter and BD is 7 centimeter. In this way we have constructed first triangle, and now we have to construct one more triangle, but in this we have to draw the second arc, that is of length 5.5. So we will take distance 5.5 in a compass. So here 5.5 is there. So I will draw 5.5 and draw the arc. And then we have to draw 5.5, another 5.5, that is we have to draw and now this point of intersection is known as A, and now we have to join AD as well as AB, AD as well as AB. In this way we got our quadrilateral ABCD, in which this is 5.5, this is also 5.5, Okay, so the construction of quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. Now for your practice there is one question, so write down. Construct quadrilateral LIFT. Construct quadrilateral LIFT in which LI is equal to 4 centimeter, IF is equal to 3 centimeter, TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and IT is equal to 4 centimeter. So this was a question for your practice, and now we will see the third combination, that is construction of quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. Two adjacent sides and three angles are known. In this question we will see now. Construct triangle PLAN. Construct quadrilateral PLAN where PL is equal to 4 centimeter, LA is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle P is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 110 degree, and angle EN is equal to 85 degree. Here three angles P, A and EN, three angles are given and two sides are given. So first of all we will draw the rough diagram. So PLAN is a rough diagram of the quadrilateral. So 6.5 LA is given 6.5, then PL is given 4 centimeter, angle P is given 90 degree, then angle A is 110, so it is 110, and angle EN is equal to 85. Angle EN is equal to 85. Now here first of all we will draw the side or base of the quadrilateral, that is LA 6.5 centimeter. So I will draw first angle A, or really A is equal to 6.5. So this is LA of length 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to take the angle here, that is angle A is equal to 110. So I will put the protractor on point A, and now constructing 110 degree. So we have to take from here 0. Here I have taken side LA of length 6.5 centimeter, and here angle A is equal to 110. So I will put the protractor on a point A and take the angle of 110 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. So here I will mark here. And now we have to join this mark to the point A. Again here we have given another side, that is LP or PL is equal to 4 centimeter. So I will draw PL 40 centimeter means 4 centimeter in a compass. So 4 centimeter I have to draw. Here, if we apply the property of quadrilateral, that is, sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree, means this angle P plus angle A plus angle N plus angle N is equal to 360 degree. So here 360. Now P is given 90 plus A is 110. So plus 85 and plus angle L. We don't know angle L is equal to 360. Now here 110 plus 90, it will be 200. 200 plus 85, it will be 285 plus angle L is equal to 360, and therefore angle L is equal to 360 minus 285. 360 minus 285, and that will be angle L is equal to 75 degree. Angle L is equal to 75 degree. So here I have to draw angle of 75 degree. So here I have put protector on a point L, and then 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 75. So with this measure, and now I will join it, and now we know that the length of LP is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter I have to draw the arc which is intersecting the line segment. In this way, we got the point P here, and this length is 4 centimeter. Here at P, at point P, we have to make 90 degree angle. So I will put the protector on the point P, and with this I have to draw angle of 90 degree, and now joining this we will get in this way. We got here the angle N, it should be 80 degree angle. If we measure this angle, then it is seen that this is 80 degree angle. Here 80 degree is there. So this angle is 80 degree. In this way, this is the right angle. This is 110 degree, and this is 75 degree. In this way, we have constructed one more quadrilateral where two adjacent sides and three angles are known. Here 2 AL and PL, these are the two adjacent sides, and remaining, that is A, N and P, these are the three angles. So given when we can construct a triangle, also we can apply here the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, and then we can get the fourth angle which was not given us, and the angle here we have find that its measure is 75 degree. In this way, we have constructed the three types of quadrilateral, and now you have one question for practice. Write down. Construct quadrilateral MORE. Construct quadrilateral MORE, where MO is equal to 6 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle N is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, angle R is equal to 105 degree. Here also two sides and three angles are given, and you have to construct the quadrilateral according to given measurements.